Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the FLYP app is and how it's positioned. FLYP, also known as FLYP Fashion Design Studio, is a mobile platform designed to help users create custom clothing designs and potentially launch their own apparel brand directly from a smartphone. According to official App Store descriptions, the platform allows users to design clothing in a 3D fashion studio where graphics, logos, or artwork can be applied to apparel like hoodies, t-shirts, and accessories. The same descriptions explain that creators can design products without needing inventory or upfront manufacturing costs, because items can be produced after customers place an order. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from official sources indicates that the app may include AI-powered tools that generate design ideas or images based on text prompts and apply them to clothing mock-ups. The platform may also allow users to publish their designs and open an online shop where customers can purchase apparel featuring those designs. According to official descriptions, the service can handle production, shipping, and customer support for orders placed through the platform. The developers describe FLYP as a creator-focused fashion studio intended to simplify the process of designing and selling custom apparel. This app may be useful for users who want to experiment with clothing design or explore starting a small fashion brand from their phone. For people interested in mobile tools that combine fashion design with print-on-demand selling, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.